Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 17 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which one sleeps the most in a day? Koala, sloth, panda, tiger. Which animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? Octopus, turtle, whale, dolphin. Which bird cannot see during the day? Pigeon, owl, duck, parrot. Which bird cannot lay eggs? Peacock, chicken, sparrow, kingfisher. Which animal smells with its tongue? Crocodile, snake, leech, shark. Which animal can stop breath for 6 days? Cheetah, snake, spider, scorpion. Which animal blood color is green? Blue whale, lizards, crabs, lobsters. Which animal cannot look up into the sky? Horse, cow, pigs, goat. Which bird dies after touching? Bluebirds, falcon, toucans, Totoni bird. Which bird has longest eyesight? Eagles, hawk, owl, robin. Which animal can live more than 200 years? Elephant, tortoise, tiger, leopard. Which animal never drink water? Kangaroo, rat, camel, squirrel, crocodile. What type of respiration do frogs use underwater? gills, skin, lungs, nose. Which animal drink water through the nose? Zebra, giraffe, elephant, dinosaur. Which animal cannot walk backwards? Elephant, kangaroo, red panda, rhinoceros. Which animal has heart in its head? Shrimp, sloths, hippo, sheep. Which animal dies after drinking water? Kangaroo, rat, camel, squirrel, crocodile. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.